NVTS stock analysis and NVTS stock predictions for 28th of May and onwards. I'm going to break down exactly how I'm going to play this, but with the experience of 5 years and 40,000 videos made, you know, I've seen what's making me money, so I'm going to follow my edge because I know I'm going to be okay because it's proven to work. And ironically, NVTS, it's a long side. I'm looking to double down Wednesday and onwards, so I'm saying, obviously, like, I'm a YouTuber, so I must show you the proof that I called this thing out beforehand, right? Yes, of course. This was made 26th of May. 26th of May was like right here. It was like a Monday, which was a Friday. It was a holiday. 27th of May is here, so boom, that's where it's supposed to freaking sit. And then we delivered. You know, that's very nice because all I'm looking to do Wednesday and onwards is just double down on that. And you can clearly tell that I have previous receipts in the Discord as well. But other than that, if you want to learn how I'm consistently making 5 to 10K per month trading with indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free insights. It's free.